Hi all, I'm Wade and I'm Jimmy Branch Homestead, and I just kind of want to take a little moment to kind of tell you a little bit about what's going on. We've been so busy with the farming and trying to get the things going, planting. It's planting season, especially down here in the Ozarks. It's going to be up in the mid-80s again today, and well, we just got so far behind we weren't able to put no content out for you all. So, but we're done. We're not done, but we're caught up on some things. But like this here, you see back there, you see that hole? That hole don't belong here in my shed. The other night, well, we had a storm come through and took down a pretty good sized tree on us, and well, things happen. That's just the way things go, and there ain't nothing to do about it. No sense complaining. We had a guy stop by. He wanted $1,000 to take down that tree and this stuff here, and said he was going to leave it here, but he wanted $1,000 to cut it off my shed. I said, for $1,000 I'll do it myself, and well, I did do it myself. It took me about a day, and the wife helped. But we're Wade, and my wife is Wanda. Of course, she's up doing farming stuff, gardening stuff actually, and this is all of our stuff that was in there for the homestead here, doing the yard work. But there's the big old tree back there, as you can see, right there. That was on top of the shed. And I've managed to get it off, and jacks and everything, and get it off the shed. Now comes the fun part of cutting all this stuff up, debris, and getting rid of it back in my woods somewhere so it'll deteriorate and go back to where it came from eventually. And then end up doing work here, and I'll fix this big old hole. As you can see, I've already started to get it braced so I could get up there and cut the tree down. But it did a number on it, but it was across the top up here coming down, and it just created more work for us is all it really did. A pain in the butt to do, but it's what we do down here at the homestead. We just take care of. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell all your friends to do it too if you pass it on, because that's the way you help our channel grow. And